What is an ABS module? Have you ever wondered how your car helps you stay in control during sudden stops? The answer lies in the anti-lock braking system, commonly known as ABS. Today, we will explore what an ABS module is and why it matters, especially for teen drivers. The anti-lock braking system is designed to prevent the wheels from locking up when you brake hard. This is important because locked wheels can cause your vehicle to skid, making it hard to steer. The ABS helps you maintain control by rapidly pulsing the brakes, allowing you to steer while stopping. Now let's break down the components of the ABS system. First, there are speed sensors. These are located at each wheel and monitor how fast they are spinning. Next, we have the electronic control unit, which acts like the brain of the system. It processes the information from the speed sensors to see if any wheel is about to lock up. Then, there are valves and a pump. These parts control the brake pressure. When the electronic control unit detects a wheel that is about to lock, it signals the valves to reduce the brake pressure to that wheel. The pump then restores the pressure once the wheel regains traction. So, what exactly is the ABS module? The ABS module typically refers to the electronic control unit and its related components. It processes data from the speed sensors and manages the valves and pump to control brake pressure. This module ensures that the anti-lock braking system works effectively, helping you maintain stability and control during braking. For teenagers who are just starting to drive, understanding how ABS works can be very helpful. It is reassuring to know that this system is there to help you stay in control during emergency stops. However, it is essential to remember that ABS does not shorten your stopping distance on all surfaces. It mainly helps you maintain control and avoid skidding, which is especially useful on slippery roads. When you need to make an emergency stop, press the brake pedal firmly but smoothly. The anti-lock braking system will do the rest, pulsing the brakes to prevent wheel lockup. You might feel the brake pedal vibrating, but that is normal and part of how the system operates. Understanding the ABS module and how it functions can make a big difference in your driving experience. It is a key safety feature that can help you navigate challenging situations on the road. So, as you gain more experience behind the wheel, keep in mind how this system works to help keep you safe.